The Citroën SM, a collaboration between Citroën and Maserati, was first launched in 1970 and produced until 1975. Known for its futuristic design by Robert Opron and advanced engineering, the SM was a groundbreaking vehicle that combined French innovation with Italian performance. Thornley Kelham, renowned for their expertise in classic car restorations, has taken on the challenge of restoring this iconic model to its former glory. The real departure from the DS to the SM was the engine. The DS always cried out for a six-cylinder engine, which never happened. For the SM, Citroën asked its new subsidiary Maserati to develop a new V6. Based on the Maserati Indy's V8, Maserati developed a quad-cam aluminum 90-degree V6. In 3-liter and 220 horsepower form, it served Maserati's mid-engine sports car, the Maroc. For the SM, its capacity was initially reduced to 2,670 cubic centimeters in order to fit in a lower tax category in France. The result was 170 horsepower and 170 pounds per foot of torque. Later, power was raised to 178 horsepower by the adoption of fuel injection. Interior, luxury, and comfort. Step inside the restored Citroën SM and you'll find a cabin that combines luxury with comfort. The interior is finished to the highest standards, with attention to detail that reflects the car's original design while incorporating modern touches. The seats are upholstered in premium materials, and the dashboard features updated controls and displays for a seamless driving experience.